moment to come, so I can't thank you for all the tender.
Let us talk about the reasons why I love this product. So first and foremost, the reason why I love this is it's organic. Okay, so all the ingredients used in creating this product is all natural, so it's safe to use. There are no harsh chemicals used in doing this or creating this product, so that is really a thumbs up. So the next thing that I also like is it's really lightweight. So if you apply it on your lips, you won't feel anything heavy. Kung na-experience nyo na yung, or I think most of you guys have experienced when you are using a lipstick na parang ang kapal ng labi nyo, yung ganon. So ito, it's so good kasi if you are not, or if you don't want lipsticks, this is but yung lips nyo gusto nyo maging parang very pigmented yung itsura na parang naka-lipstick talaga kayo tingnan, this product is for you guys. Kasi pagsuot ko siya, as in parang wala akong suot, ganun yung pakiramdam. And matte yung finish niya, as you can see. It's very matte, it's very opaque, and ito one swipe lang to. I tell you guys, it's so perfect. As in, hindi ko ini-expect na yung isang organic product is ganito ka-pigmented. Kasi I have tried before, nakapag-try ako before ng ng organic product, parang wala lang, parang sheer. So, lalo na kapag pigmented yung lips mo, tapos yung hindi pa pantay yung kulay, kasi yung kulay ng lips ko ganun eh, hindi siya pantay. So, medyo lighting dito, tapos yung dito medyo dark. So, kapag sheer yung lipstick na ginagamit mo, parang hindi rin pantay. So, maganda kapag pigmented yung ano, para ganyan. As in, pulido, na parang solid yung color ng lips mo. And, the other thing na nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya is, it's kiss-proof. So, yan. Ayan, oh. Wala, diba? Ayan. It's kiss-proof, as in. So, boyfriend approved, and, oh, wala. So, ito, yung kanina lang yan kasi blinan ko siya. So, nung basa pa siya. So, once na nag-set siya, is, tawag dito, kiss-proof na siya. So, madali rin siyang mag-set. Yung applicator niya is, very, easy to use. So, kapag ganito kasi applicator, parang ang daling ipantay sa lips. So, gusto ko siya. And I also like the packaging kasi yung parang alam mo talagang organic kasi nga bamboo, ganun. May nakalagay dito na Nature Essentials. So, compared to other matte lipsticks that I have, medyo malaki siya. I think this is a 10 ml product. So, medyo marami siya. So, I'll just compare it with the other product na meron ako. Wait lang. So, i-compare ko lang siya dito sa aking ColourPop. Yung bottle niya is mas malaki. So, yun. And mas mataba. Yung isa pang gusto ko dito is wala siyang bothering na amoy. Meron siyang amoy parang manamis-namis, parang ganon yung amoy niya. So, hindi siya bothering. At saka pag nilagay mo siya sa lips mo, after a few seconds, mawawala na rin. Kumbaga pag nag-set siya, wala na. And yun. As you can see, ang ganda ng kulay na nakuha ko. I so love the shade na napunta sa akin. Kasi, it's perfect for everyday. And, you can also transition the color. Kasi, if you put 2 coats of this, it will give you a red-brown color na parang Kylie Jenner lips. Ganun. So, it's really a good shade. Of course, it's long-lasting since it's a kiss-proof. So, naman siya, long-lasting naman siya. Yun nga lang, medyo, pag kumain ka, medyo may natatanggal na part. Pag kumain kayo, basically yung pag oily product or oily foods, yun yung kinain nyo. So, dun siya matatanggal. Pero pag uminom kayo or yung kinain nyo is hindi naman ganun ka-oily, okay lang, nandoon pa rin siya. Yun. So, depende rin sa kakainin nyo kung mamantika, yun talagang maaalis siya. And you need to reapply. And then, siguro yung downside na lang nakikita ko dito sa product is medyo pricey siya. But I tell you guys, if you can afford to buy MAC lipsticks, you should get this. Kasi it's really a good product. Compared to the MAC lipsticks, half the price. It's only 550 pesos and you get an organic product na sarili pang atin. And yun nga, tangkilikin ng sariling atin. So, it's safe to use because it's organic. Since this is a lip and cheek mousse product, you can also use it for your cheeks. But the downside of this product is dahil madali nga siyang mag-set or matuyo, mahirap siyang ilagay sa cheeks. Kasi, ganito yung technique na ginawa ko sa paglagay sa kanya. So, hindi ko siya in-apply directly sa cheeks ko ng pagganon. Hindi ko siya in-apply ng pagganon. Kasi, if you will do that, mag-iiwan siya ng mark. So, kung hindi ka masyadong mabilis mag-blend, ayan o, mag-iiwan siya ng mark. So, medyo mahirap na siyang i-blend. So, parang meron kang patsi-patsi dyan. Ayun. So, ang advice ko is siguro, you need to siguro ilagay mo na lang muna sa back of your hand or apply mo na lang muna siya dyan, and then just get the product here and just spread it. Yan. So, pakunti-unti lang para hindi kayo mabigla. Kasi, pag directly, parang baka mabigla kayo tapos hindi nyo na siya makontrol. So, paunti-unti lang para at least mas madali siyang i-blend. So, okay ka lang dito. Kasi sayang eh. 2 layers. Ang napansin ko dito, pag nagtatagal siya, mas lalo siya nagda-dark yung color niya. May isa ako na-notice dito, yung finish niya, yung parang parang may puti siya. Para siyang, lalo na pag layer mo yung product, parang meron siyang puti. And parang, come on, explain. Wait, let me show it to you guys. And so parang may puti siya. Meron kasi silang ingredient na natural or vitamin, I think. Sa vitamin ingredient na nagmo-moisturize pa ng iyong lips or nagpo-protect ng lips mo. So yun. If you're interested to buy this, just check out Nature Essentials. I will be putting their links down below, and you can also visit because they have physical store sa Trinoma, I think. Yes, I think sa Trinoma. So you can visit Nature Essentials there. And also check out their Facebook page. It's Nature Essentials, and their Facebook page, www.facebook.com, Nature Essentials /Nature Essentials PH. So don't forget to check it out. It's only 550 guys, and I tell you, dahil sa sobrang gusto ko yung product na to, bumili ako ng isa. Itong shade na nakuha ko is Tender Love. So, yung color pink. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this product review helpful. Bye! See you again on my next one.